Ready, start. A perusal of the aforesaid judgment clearly indicates that once the building is subject to assessment only, date of first assessment is relevant unless the date on which completion was reported or otherwise recorded by the local authority having jurisdiction is prior to the date of first assessment and any other date of completion not so recorded by the local authority, and when there is assessment of building the date of occupancy is of no consequence. Full stop. In paragraph 8 of the said judgment, it was clearly observed by the Honorable Apex Court that oral evidence in such case or even the recital in the rent deed that the new construction was of earlier date is of no consequence, or in other words, in the light of the municipal record, is inconsequential. Full stop. Para. Sri Vishnu Sahai has further relied on a decision of the division bench of this court rendered in the case of Om Prakash Gupta versus Digvigender Pal Gupta 1979 ARC 469, paragraphs 5, 6, 10, and 15 of the said judgment are quoted as under. On receipt of the said finding, the matter was again heard by Honorable Ojha J. It was urged for the defendant applicant that the shop had admittedly been occupied by him in June 1967, that there was evidence to indicate that another tenant was in occupation thereof for about a month and a half before the date of his occupation, and that it was the date of occupation which the construction of the shop should be deemed to have been completed within the meaning of explanation I.A. of Section 2(2) of the Act and not the date of its first assessment. Full stop. The plaintiff opposite party supported the finding returned by the trial court and relied upon the decision, among others, in Tilak Raj versus Sardar Devender Singh Supra. Full stop. Para. It has not been disputed before us that the shop in suit was occupied by the defendant applicant in June 1967, and that it was first assessed to municipal tax with effect from April 1, 1968. Full stop. The date of the trial court's decree is January 2, 1976, and that of the district court on decree revision under section 25 is August 27, 1976. Full stop. On both these dates, in either view of the matter, the provisions of the Act could not be said to be applicable to the shop in suit, but in case the date of occupation is taken to be the date of completion of construction, the provisions of the Act became applicable to it during June 1967 or maybe sometimes in April or May 1977, but if the date of its first assessment taken to be the date of the Act will not become applicable to the shop in suit until after March 31, 1978. Full stop. The defendant applicant moved an application under Section 39 of the Act in this court and in support of the position that the date of the commencement of the Act for the purposes of that provision in relation to the shop in suit would be the date of expiry of 10 years from the completion of its construction. Reliance has been placed upon a division bench.
Thanks friends watching my video. Like, share and subscribe please.